Hey everybody, welcome back to Mike's World. Today I've got the Ford Roush Ranger here. If you saw my previous video, kind of went over the truck, everything it's got in it. I've had it a little less than a month, put about 600, 700 miles on it. And if you noticed in my previous video, I mentioned about how I didn't like this opening right here. So basically, if you take a look, it's got a big opening right in the front underneath the bumper. It goes straight into the radiator there, and kind of leaves the radiator a little unprotected. So I was looking for something to insert here, and I had a lot of people comment in the previous video, give me some suggestions, but what I ended up picking up is here, Mountains2Metal.com makes a grill insert, a honeycomb insert. Haven't opened this yet, so we're going to open this together, see what's in there, and I'm going to install it in here. It says it doesn't take any drilling. It looks like it snaps in. I'm going to see how easy it is or how hard it is. I'll give you my review afterwards, and then we'll see how it looks like with the new grill insert. So let's get started. All right, guys, as we get started here, just a heads up, I paid for this myself, not sponsored by Mountains2Metal. Didn't get this from them. They have no affiliation with this video, so you're going to get my honest review of this as we install this. So let's just open the box and see what we have here. Cover here. Looks like it comes with maybe three push-in. Yeah, it looks like it just pops in. It comes with 3 of them. So I know the truck has little inserts underneath there. I'll show you in a second. And I know there's 4 or 5 of them under the truck, but it looks like it comes with 3. And then, of course, let's open this up. So there it is, piece of metal. Looks like it just pops in there. So let's see how easy it is to install. So one of the things I noticed real quick when I looked up under here is Ford has these little push pins in here, and it looks like there's a cutout here. So Ford obviously designed this with the idea in mind that you were going to purchase an aftermarket grill insert to put in here, because it looks like it's already designed for that. So there's 5 of those underneath this truck, but it only came with 3 pins for the grill. So what I'm going to do is pop these off with a screwdriver, save them, and I'm going to see if I can use the ones that already are in the truck with the grill and see if they'll work. And then I won't even use the ones that came with the grill. Let's see how that works. So there you go, guys, installed less than 5 minutes. I only needed a flathead screwdriver. Was able to use the push pins that were already in the Ranger's bumper. Fit okay. You just got to be careful when you're reusing those that you don't break off one of the tabs. The first push pin took a little bit extra time just because I had one bent down. I didn't break it. So now the 3 that came with it are extras. I wish it would have came with 5 of the push pins, because I would have used the new ones instead of reusing these. But all in all, it went on. Works fine, looks fine. Nice metal piece here, looks pretty sturdy. And I think it's going to make the truck look a lot better. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Like this video, and then stay tuned for future videos. When I hit 1,000 miles, we're going to do a review of the truck, show you some mods I've made. Got a Roush cold air intake I'm going to be installing soon. We'll do a video on that, and then we're going to head down to Crossbar Ranch in Davis, Oklahoma soon. Nice off-road park, 6,500 acres, and we're going to take this thing on a little off-roading and see how it does. Now, I don't have any intentions of tearing my truck up, so we're going to stick to some of the easier stuff down there. We're not going to be tearing this thing up on the advanced course. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.